Hi! In front of me is T-Mobile phone 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to open Devices settings. After that, click on Connected Devices over here and select Pair a new device. Now just wait for available ones to show and click on the chosen one. Now if you want to continue, you need to select pair in this pop-up in order to connect and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, you need to click on this gear icon next to chosen device and click on Forget over here. Then choose Forget Device in the pop-up. In order to connect to the same one, click on Pair a new device and do all of those steps again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!